Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a log video that I just finished to record for my subscribers covering many markets, 70 minutes video. The clip that I have for you is as usual focusing on gold and silver. In addition, I'd like to mention that I'm going to reopen the special offer that I have running from time to time in celebration of modification of my website. I'm renovating, improving, so you'll get a chance to see that. If you're interested, I will be providing more details at the end of this clip. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have a great trading week. Bye now. This is the weekly scale of silver priced in US dollars. After examining the various forex pairs that relate to the precious metals, I'm coming to examine the price action itself of the precious metals, and what I see here, a jump in silver over the last 2 weeks, that in itself is very nice, some sign of life, but in the big scheme of things here, this is definitely not enough to trigger a signal that an extended run in silver is underway. The first thing that I would like to see, silver climbing back towards 15.5 and sitting on top of the black line, which is extremely important. We referred to it in the past many times, and also above the overhead resistance registered here by the red line. If I see silver able to run up and sit on top of the combination of those important lines, yes, the horizontal plus the rising line here, then I think that silver will signal sufficient strength, as far as I'm concerned, sufficient strength to continue with its rally, potentially towards 17.5 and maybe a lot higher. As it stands right now, as I said, it's nice, but I don't think that it's going to carry very far. I'm going to show you the daily and we will go and see also the details. There is no structure of a 5-leg run developing here. We had a nice boom day up here, got stopped by the 50 moving average. Do you see that? When you go and examine the 60 minutes scale, what you find is in fact a corrective price action that is composed of several, in my opinion, it's going to end up a bunch of ABCs stuck together with an X here. Look, that's the 60 minutes and that's an A. I think that could play out as a B, or B ending here. That gives you the C. Fine, so that's an ABC. There's nothing terribly bullish about this. This is corrective. This is just a counter trend move. When I say that an ABC is formed here, I'm saying that it's bearish, because when the ABC X ABC will be over, silver is just going to join the main trend again. It's going to resume the main trend. ABC corrections are counter trend moves, you see. So I really don't see any reason to celebrate the performance of silver at this point, apart from, yes, the potential that it might make it above 15.5, and then I have to have a rethink. At that point, I really have to take a step back and have a rethink and see maybe there is something here that I missed. Okay, but right now that is not the case. Now here's gold. That is gold's priced in US dollars, spot gold. That's the weekly, and we didn't have a very good week in gold. It actually broke through the floor. There is of course a case to be made that this is corrective. I mean, corrective in reference to the jump, to the first jump that we have seen from here. And in fact, the coming week or the coming few weeks will generate a big, impressive jump in gold. Yes, technically it's definitely possible, but I don't think at this point in time that this is very likely. I will begin to believe it seriously if it closes above 1,214, which is the roof for the current price action. At this point in time, it looks to me more likely that it's better to treat this as 1, this is 2, that the entire decline from this spot up to here should be taken as a 3 complete, and what we have witnessed here was a 4th wave, and the market may have started the slight 5th leg. Yes, That is the best reading that I have for gold at this point. And I see support in various markets as we examine the various forex pairs that can and do from time to time help and shed light on what might happen with the precious metals, or help to confirm, yes, our reading in the precious metals here. And I don't see a big issue taking this as a fourth wave. The breakdown here might have started that fifth leg, and we may have registered the first leg down. The bounce on Friday stopped at overhead resistance. Let me show you here. That's the 60 minutes. Here, do you see that we have solid overhead resistance at this level? I hope you can see that. If I take the line, let's see if I get this line. It refuses to come. Just a sec. I try. Here it is. You see this line. You see this level. Yeah. This is not something that, in my opinion, it can sail through as if there is no problem. This is substantial resistance here, and it did on Friday. It stopped. Now, if I'm wrong, and suppose Monday, Tuesday comes and we have this, then that's a different ball game completely. What will happen at that point is that the market will tell me, wake up, something bullish is taking place. This is to be taken as one leg. All of this is to be taken as corrective to what you have seen here. And the move that is starting here is not going to stop at 12.14, but it's going to carry for quite some time. It's going to be possibly a big chunk move. I don't think it's likely, but that is the implication of the market reversing, flipping up. Now you can have various, for example, there is here a possible projection that we can apply, and equating the up move with the move that we have seen from the bottom here up to this spot will take it to 1236. Going into an extension will take gold to 1271. Okay, so that is basically the game plan for the next several weeks. It's not able to run above 1214. Forget it. It stays. Forget the upside. It stays mired here, and it continues to look down. Prepare for a solid break of 1160. Indeed, it's going to break seriously 1160, and prepare for the important test of 1120. Okay, and all that will be within the scope of that fifth leg that I think is quite likely to materialize in the next several weeks. Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with some details of the special offer that I mentioned to you early on. So you need to go on my website. You find it at Wave Mastery, yes, www.wavemastery.com. That's the front page. You see I have, if you are familiar with the previous version, you can see this is a modified version, and you run through. There is a bit of text here, and concerning the special offer, you will see some tabs here that focus on the offer. It begins with the trial for the daily videos, a trial that is costing you only $9.99 for 1 week. If you like what you see, you have more details about what is covered in the trial as well as in the daily videos once you click on the subscribe here, but this gives you just a very brief idea of what is really covered. If you go for the daily videos, you click here. If you want to go for the weekend videos, obviously you click here. Let's suppose you go for the daily videos. You click here, it takes you to the page that gives you full explanation of what is involved. If you are from Europe, VAT applies. Most countries are subject to VAT, so you have to select your country here. If you are from anywhere else, if you are from the UK, USA, Belgium, oddly enough, because I'm based in Belgium, but in Belgium, you don't pay VAT. So USA, UK, Belgium, the rest of the world, basically, you don't pay any VAT. Only 79 applies. So your subscription will start with the $9.99. After 1 week, the 79 will kick in every month. You click on that, it takes you to PayPal. You go through it's a straightforward process. You pay, you see it starts with for the first 7 days $9.99. You go through that, it takes you back to the page, and essentially you get your logins. Yes, you go through, you have to fill in all your details, gives you the login, and you will need more information for me. So as soon as you subscribe, I will get in touch with me. I will provide you the necessary details to complete your subscription and have access to the videos. If we go back to the main page, I just want to run very quickly here through the menu. I'm in the process of actually introducing some changes to my website, so the front page might look slightly different. Maybe in the next week or so I will be adding a few links here and there, but in general I have written a few articles here that you might like to take a look at. Is this website for me? Psychology and trading, trading and the arts, why join? You go through, you've got a subscribe here, also gives you an access to the special promotional offer. Yeah, it's just another way of accessing it. Instead of coming from the front page, yeah, you will have access through the menu here. Use subscription, that relates to the pages once you subscribe, once you log in, etc. It tells you which one is your subscription, etc. You have resources here in chart galleries. You have a lot of charts giving you a very good idea how this principle of the Elliott waves is being applied to various markets at various time scales. It's very, very interesting. You should go through that if you are really a fan of charts. Useful link, recommended reading list, all the other things are fairly standard. Take a look. Contact us. That's for any issue that comes you come across. You have a question, you have a doubt, you have anything you want to discuss with me, just use contact us. Normally for the payment I'm using PayPal, but you can pay through other means. For example, I can accept money through Skrill. There is even a possibility to make a wire transfer to the account of the company that I use, yes, to run this website. If you don't have PayPal or you don't want to use PayPal, there are other ways to pay and to join. There are a few comments here that people put on my concerning my work. In the past I had many more. Because I'm in the process of improving, I'll have to transfer, bring more of the history, yes, of my work to this new version. Again, if you have any questions, you just press this. That takes you to the contact us page. Name, email address, please make sure you give me the right email address. Message, very simple maths, fill it in here, submit, and I get it. So I mentioned that I'm in principle I'm in Belgium. So if you write to me from the US or from Australia or anywhere in the world and I don't reply on the spot, please give me a few hours. I will reply. Okay, I will reply. This particular weekend I have gone through covering a lot of the charts that are affecting the forex market, the precious metals. And there is some really very, very interesting study that I'm sure you would absolutely love if you're interested in the precious metals and in currencies in general. Okay, so I think at the very least it's worth your while to have a go for a trial. Go for a trial, and you see you will have access, and you can ask me also some questions if you like, and then you'll see how things evolve for you. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. I'm here to help. I hope to see you visiting my website, supporting my work. Wish you have a great trading week. All the best. Bye for now.